Recipes with healthy food alternatives and food-grade essential oils is a game changer when it comes to gut health and mental health, mood, emotions, memory, and this is a great place to start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Thai coconut soup recipe, often called Tom Kha Gai, which includes 3 essential oils, lime, ginger, and lemongrass, which not only provide superb flavor, but they are great for boosting immunity, digestion, and detox. After watching, make sure to download my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog Swap List. This is where you can make small tweaks that make a huge difference. Healthy is simple. You won't believe how simple this soup is. So first, let's take about a pound of chicken breast and slice it very thin, about 1/4 inch thin. And you can also slice it crosswise if you would like. Now heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large skillet. Add that chicken in there and then just cook it until it's all cooked through. Now this is going to take 2 or 3 minutes to do that, but once it's all cooked through, then we're going to add 1/2 an onion that's slivered and mix that in and kind of stir fry it so it can cook. 2 cloves of garlic pressed and 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1.5 cups chicken broth, a 14-ounce can of coconut milk, full fat, 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce and a tablespoon of coconut aminos, then a tablespoon of red Thai curry paste. Now add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms and mix it in, then our essential oils. 8 drops of lemongrass, 4 drops of ginger, and 12 drops of lime. These are all good for immune boosting and improving your gut health. Now, just stir it all together. You can see how simple this is. Now to serve, garnish with fresh snipped cilantro leaves. This Thai coconut soup recipe is so simple and it's restaurant quality in taste. You'll see. Healthy is simple. Add your comments and questions below, then like and subscribe. And be sure to download my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog Swap List. This is an excellent place to start for improving your gut and brain health. So do it now, and thank you for watching.